Welcome to this MB Financial Midterm Election Update. I'm Andy Bush, global political and financial strategist and host of the Engage radio show. Now today we're going to take a tour of DC and discuss how changes in a few seats on the Hill are going to impact business and money. The key takeaway? A unified Republican Congress is positive for economic growth if they can move forward on tax and entitlement reform with the backing of President Barack Obama. Now on November 4th, U.S. voters went to the polls and decided to shake things up a little bit by voting out the Democrats in the Senate and voting in the Republicans. Now the Senate will have a new majority leader in Kentucky Senator Mitch McConnell or another Republican. Also, this means the U.S. House of Representatives will remain Republican, with John Boehner likely to stay on as Speaker. Now, there will be major changes on the Senate side with new chairmen in all of the committees. Even in the House, the chairs of the critical committees like the Powerful Ways and Means Committee and the Budget Committee will change. This brings a significantly different focus for those committees and opportunities for Republicans to put their agenda in place. So what does this change in Congress mean for business? Well, first, we'll likely see 2 years of a lame duck presidency by the Obama administration that will not be able to pass their major pieces of legislation without significant compromise. Major issues like entitlement reform, immigration, and tax reform are going to be put off. Republicans will likely put forward legislation to deal with these issues, and most of it will be coming from the House. Now, you should anticipate bills on entitlement reform, the Affordable Care Act changes, EPA CO2 rule, and immigration. The question remains, will President Obama veto all of these pieces of legislation? Good question. Now, on the positive side, stalled free trade pacts with Asia and Europe have support on both sides of the aisle and may happen. On energy, the approval process for LNG, or liquid natural gas terminals, is expected to continue with the change of a lifting of the ban of oil exports possible. On regulations, Republicans hold lots of hearings on the Dodd-Frank regulation or CO2 or Affordable Care Act to slow these guys down. For business, a unified Republican Congress is positive for economic growth only if they can move forward on tax and entitlement reform with the backing of President Obama. Now, we'll have 4 more videos for you covering energy, tax reform, regulations, and budget deficits on the website. Check them out. I'm Andy Bush, and thanks for watching this MD Financial Update on the midterm elections.